you for purchasing your Total Body WALX poles. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the poles set up so you're ready to go out total body walking, exercising your whole body. I'm going to pop one pole to the side. First thing we need to do is adjust the length so it's just right for you. I hold the top part of the pole here, the lower part turns, and as that loosens, that allows the lower part to ride up and down inside the upper part here. Just know that they do come apart, so if that happens, don't worry. That can be really useful if you want to pack them and put them into a suitcase. Putting that back together, I bring that down. This middle bit here looks like the adjustment mechanism. It's not. That's just to stop the lower part vibrating inside the top part there. So you're going to turn the whole bottom part of the pole. Before I measure up my own height, I need to ensure that I'm holding the pole correctly. The ergonomic designed handle has been designed to fit into the way our hand rests. So here, as I rest my hand, my fingers naturally curl, my thumb naturally leads, and if I bring the pole into the hand, that's how it's designed. So it's a really comfortable handle. I want to bring my hand up onto the outer ridge there, bring my thumb onto the thumb ridge or the inner ridge there, and then curl my fingers lightly around the handle. I'm not squeezing tightly, I'm just resting my hand on the handle there. Now that I'm in that position, I can start to size the poles. I want to get the right height, I need to put the pole straight down into the ground. If I have my wrist quite far below my elbow height, that pole there is too short. If I take it up, and you can see you may need a mirror for this, if I have my wrist above the height of my elbow, then the pole here is too long. I need to take it down just a little bit until the wrist is just slightly below the level of the elbow. That then is a height that I'll be able to use the poles really effectively. Now that I've got the right height, I can turn the poles and tighten them. I don't need to squeeze really tightly, but just a good hand tight there, and that's firmly fixed. Because I know the height of the pole, I can make that adjustment on the other one. Before I head on out, I need to make a decision about the walking surface I'm going to be walking on. Here I'm using an orange paw so you can see it clearly. Yours probably, your poles will have come with a black paw on the bottom there. If I'm walking on pavement or on road, I'm going to keep the rubber paw on. That will grip really nicely. If, however, I'm going to be off-road or possibly onto beach or into mud, then I'm going to take the rubber paw off and have the metal tip showing. If I'm on pavement, I put it back on, and I need to angle the pole appropriately. This is my left hand, the pole is pointing forward in that direction there, so with the handle pointing that direction, I want the rubber paw to be pointing back the other way. That then provides greater traction on a hard surface. The pole there is now set up, ready to use. I will take the other pole, not quite the same height, so I take this one down so it's at the same height. I tighten hand tight there, resting my hands onto the handles. Yep, they're ready to go.